Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about Windows 11. Let's head into it. Windows 11. Microsoft has released Windows 11, which includes a major overhaul and a slew of new features. With a new start menu and rounded corners, Windows 11 has a fresh new look, but it also brings a slew of productivity enhancements, including snap layouts, which allow you to run multiple apps at once. New widgets for keeping up with the latest news, Microsoft Teams integration, and a new Windows Store are all included in Windows 11. Furthermore, Android apps can be run on Windows 11. Gamers will appreciate the addition of Auto HDR for better visuals, as well as faster performance for PCs and support direct storage. Users will appreciate being able to undock and dock without losing their patience. Windows 11 will be released later this year, probably around the holidays. If you have a Windows 10 PC, Microsoft says you can upgrade for free, and new PCs with Windows 11 pre-installed will be available in time for the holidays. Go to windows.com and download the PC Health Check app to see if your PC is eligible for the free Windows 11 upgrade. Some users will be waiting until the end of the year to try out Windows 11. Next week, Microsoft plans to release an early build of the software update to members of its Windows Insider program. However, this will not be a complete build with all the Windows 11 features. Also, make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section. Windows 11 design. Windows 11 has a new look and feel that is intended to be both visually appealing and user-friendly. A new Start button has been added to the center of the screen, and pressing it will display your recent files, documents, and apps. Instead of a large list of applications, the Start menu now has a grid of select applications and a second grid of recommended documents. An All Apps button will most likely take you to the traditional app list. The overall goal is to get you where you want to go as quickly as possible. The new Windows 11 also has a streamlined taskbar and more rounded corners on apps to make it look more modern. There are also new colors and transitions, as well as a new dark mode that highlights content. Snap layouts are now available in Windows 11. You can choose the snap layout you want to use so that you can run multiple apps at once. You could, for example, have 2 apps side by side, 3 in columns, or 4 in a grid, for a total of 6 options. If you ever get lost after responding to a notification, Windows 11 includes a new Snap Groups feature in the taskbar that can help, so you can return to whatever you were doing before you had to respond to that message. It's the same with the new docking experience. When you unplug a monitor to move rooms, the windows on the monitor will shrink. When you return and reconnect to a dock, all of your windows will reappear in their previous state. Windows 11 widgets. Widgets are a new feature in Windows 11, and they are powered by Microsoft Edge and AI. These widgets allow you to quickly check your calendar, weather, news, to-do list, photos, and more. Widgets provide you with a customizable information feed that you can arrange on your desktop in any way you want. Widgets can slide out to cover a portion or the entire desktop, depending on your needs. Input in Windows 11 has been tweaked in a number of ways, particularly when it comes to touch. In the touch bar, for example, there's more space between icons, making it easier to tap the correct item. To that end, Microsoft is introducing larger touch targets, as well as visual cues to make resizing and moving windows easier. The on-screen keyboard has been updated and made more customizable. If you interact with your Windows 11 machine with a pen or stylus, you can expect improved haptics that sound and feel like you're using an actual pen. Microsoft promises more accurate voice-to-text transcription and automatic punctuations in Windows 11, as well as improved voice recognition for text input. When you're in a document, you can also use a voice command like delete that. Windows 11 extras. You can now personalize different desktops with their own wallpapers in Windows 11. As a result, you can have a desktop for work, home, school, or gaming, each with its own set of apps and appearance. Microsoft is redesigning the Microsoft Store with Windows 11, making it faster and easier to find the apps you want. That's all well and good, but the announcement that Android apps will be directly available for Windows 11 is likely to get the most attention. Microsoft says you'll be able to find Android apps in the Microsoft Store and download them through the Amazon App Store later this year. At this point, the process appears to be a little complicated, but Microsoft has promised to reveal more details about the experience in the coming months. Gaming has always been an important part of Windows, and Windows 11 is no exception. Microsoft is introducing some new features in its operating system that are aimed specifically at improving gaming experience. What do you think about Windows 11? Are you excited for it to come? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.